Today I'm going to replace the intake system on a 2015 Lexus IS250. I don't want to spend $400 plus shipping and handle. Instead of that, I spent $215. So what they do at the dealer with this part, they sell it to you with the F Sport logo in color blue, and the shape looks a little bit different, but it's the same performance for the car. It doesn't matter, they just sell you the looks. And what I like about this intake 2, they have the logo. The one for this car doesn't have it, it's just completely plain. So this intake 2 is from a 2006 to 2013 Lexus IS250. I pay $140 retail price. And then this one is from a 2005-2013 Nissan Xterra. It's completely the same. They'll sell you at the dealer. The only difference is they sell it to you in blue color. And this one is from a 2007-2011 Lexus GS350. This one, it won't fit on my car, but the only thing that I need to do is just trim the edge and it will fit perfectly. I paid on eBay $40, so I save half of the money for the filter, completely new. So at the end of the video, you will see everything fits perfectly like a OEM. This is what I'm going to use to paint the intake hose. So if you want it to look this color, you need a base. So I will use white base over this one and see how it looks at the end. I have the setups already, so I'm gonna use the white plastic dip and see how it looks. So I did 3 passes already, so I think so it is enough for the base for these parts. Now I'm going to start to use the blue color, so to see the final result. So I will fast forward. So this is something that you need to do. You need to take your time and let it dry, but at the end you will like it. And now this is how they looks at the end. Take off the inside parts. That ring doesn't matter, nobody gonna see it. It's outside. You can do any color, this one, red, whatever. We try this color. It looks okay. We'll see when I install it. And now I'm going to remove the master flow sensor so I can have access to the air filter, because I'm gonna remove the enclosing box, because I need to do the hole to make it the sound deeper. If you install it, the filter the way it is right now, you won't hear anything. But if you want the deeper sound, you need to make a hole on the bottom. So that one I will show you right now how to take off everything. I'm just gonna do it fast forward. On this side is where you need to do the hole, so I just mark with a tape and I will start right now. When you finish, this is the way it needs to look. Now we're gonna work on the top of that part. On the top of this part you have this restriction, so what you need to do is cut it off everything, clean it up, and that's it. Okay, what you need to do over here is just cut the edges all around the filter, and you will see at the end how does it look. After you have everything ready, so now I'm going to proceed to remove the intake, but over here is really basic. It's just clamps and some screws and that's it, so I will do fast forward on this one. Now I'm just going to proceed to install the intake hose with the clamps and put all together. Okay, at this point what you need to do is just tighten everything, the clamps, and connect the hose. And don't forget to connect that master flow sensor, because I forgot to do a shot on that one, but it's just only 2 screws and that will be all. Okay, this is the final result that you will get when you step on the pedal. Well, sounds good. Thanks for watching.